I've done my lash training course with Jess at Buff & Co. Lash Professionals. I found the course to be really thorough. There's heaps of ongoing support with Jess. I've trained with her and other people in other places, and I found her to be fantastic in every way. The training was very thorough, very informative. I had a lot of support from her. The online course was fantastic. I was managed to pick up a lot more things that I wanted to learn. I could stop, I could practice, I could start again. She also has this fantastic Facebook page that I really enjoyed, that came along with everything. So that gave me a chance to talk to other people in the industry, get a feel of how they pick things up, how they learn new techniques, and everyone's been very supportive in those groups. So I highly recommend this course if you're looking at getting into the industry and it's like, something that you've been passionate about. Definitely go with Jess. She'll help you out. She'll get you there. She's very patient, and it's good. It's good to have that support when you're having those days where you just can't do it. You need her. She'll help you out. She's fantastic. So highly recommend it, and get on the Facebook page because I'll definitely be on there.